In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix a Smartsheet server error quickly and easily. If you've ever tried opening a sheet and suddenly got a server error message, you know how frustrating it can be, especially when you're in the middle of an important project. Don't worry, because in this guide, I'll walk you through several proven fixes step by step so you can get back to work fast. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important tips. And if this video helps you out, be sure to like and subscribe for more simple software solutions just like this. Let's get started. The first thing you should do when you see a Smartsheet server error is simply wait and refresh the page. Sometimes the issue isn't on your end at all. It could be a temporary glitch or a brief server hiccup. Give it about 30 to 60 seconds, then refresh your browser. You can do this by clicking the refresh icon near your browser's address bar or pressing Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on Mac. In many cases, this alone resolves the issue because the system reconnects properly on reload. If refreshing doesn't fix the problem, the next step is to check Smartsheet server status. Open a new tab and search for Smartsheet status, or go directly to status.smartsheet.com. This page shows whether there are any ongoing outages or maintenance events. If you see a reported incident, then the problem is likely on Smartsheet's side. In that case, there's nothing you need to fix, just wait until the issue is resolved. It's always better to confirm this before spending time troubleshooting your own setup. If the status page shows everything is operational, the next step is to log out of your Smartsheet account and log back in. Sometimes your session may expire or become corrupted, which can trigger server errors. To do this, click on your profile icon in the top right corner, choose Log Out, close the browser tab completely, then reopen Smartsheet and sign back in. This refreshes your session and often clears authentication-related issues. Still seeing the error? Try opening Smartsheet in an Incognito or private browsing window. In Chrome, click the three dots in the top right and select New Incognito window. In Edge or other browsers, look for New Private window. Then log into Smartsheet from there. If it works in incognito mode, the issue is likely related to browser extensions or cache data. You can then clear your browser cache and cookies or temporarily disable extensions to identify the cause. You can also test a completely different browser like Firefox or Edge to see if the issue persists. Another possible cause of server errors is heavy operations within a sheet. If your sheet contains extremely large datasets, complex formulas, multiple cross-sheet references, or many automated workflows running at once, it can strain the system. Try reducing the load by splitting very large sheets into smaller ones, removing unused columns, limiting formulas, or pausing unnecessary automations. Simplifying your sheet can significantly improve performance and reduce server-related errors. Next, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can interrupt communication between your browser and Smartsheet servers. Try opening other websites to see if they load properly. If your internet seems slow, restart your router or switch to a more stable network. If you're on Wi-Fi, moving closer to your router or switching to a wired connection can also help. By following these steps, refreshing the page, checking Smartsheet status, logging out and back in, using Incognito or a different browser, reducing heavy operations, and checking your internet connection, you can resolve most Smartsheet server errors quickly and efficiently. And that's it. You now know how to fix a Smartsheet server error using simple troubleshooting steps that anyone can follow. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.